Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to boost your Facebook post. So in this video I will show you that step by step, so let's begin on it. So firstly you just need to open on your facebook.com, then you need to open on your Facebook page. So here you can see I open my Facebook page and I want to boost my Facebook page post. So for that I just scroll down and I want to select a post randomly. So here you can see I select the first post randomly and I want to boost this post. So for that, at the right side there have an option for boost post. You can see they have an option for boost post. So you need to select this post, boost post. So after select this, you can see it's already open a new page, and after open this new page you just see there have a two option at the right, at the left side and right side, and left side is for editing your post and right side is for ad preview. Here you can see your ad is showing like that. So let's edit my post. So firstly you can see there have an option at first goal and then second button. So if you want to add a new button, or you can go automatic, just click on change. And now there have option, lot of option, but automatic is good. I recommend you make it automatic. And after that there have an option for button, you need to select it, and there have a lot of button. You can see first option is no button, book now, shop now, sign up, send messages. And your page or your post is related for selling some product, then you can select shop now, or any option you can select, it doesn't matter. So after that there have an option for website. You can add your website in here, but I add here my YouTube channel link. So for that I just select on website, and then at the URL option I just paste my YouTube channel link. So after that just you need to after paste your website, then you just need to scroll down and there have a option for audience. That's the main part of your post. So for that I just click on this pen icon here. So just select on it, and at the first option is for gender. Whose gender you want to select, you can select all, or if your product is for men you can select men, and if your product is for women you can select women. Okay, after completely select your gender, then go to change. So there have a option for 18, you can, I just select 18 to 35, and then there have an option for geography. You can set your country here. So here you can see I just search India, then I open India, and you can add a lot of country here, it doesn't matter. So after select that, that is okay. Now you need to less back. So after that there have an option for keyword or main word. So you can add your post keyword here. My post is for video game related, so I just add video game related keyword. Here you can see video game. After that all is completed, then you need to less back. So here you can see I go to back, then confirm it. Okay, now scroll down. This option is not mandatory, and there have another option for duration, how many days you want to boost your Facebook post. So here you can see you need to add a minimum 4 days. in this budget. So here you can make it 5 days, or you can change your in date, and after set your date there have an option for budget. There you can see there have an option for budget. You can change your budget range for 5 days. So here you can see I try to increase my budget, and um, page engagement already increasing. Here you can see if you spend more money you can get a better result for your boosting. So after that, after complete your budget, then there have an option payment section. You need to add a Mastercard or Visa card. You need to add here for give your payment. After completely add your Mastercard, then your editing already completed, and now at the right side there have option for estimate daily result. There is showing a daily result in your budget. So here you can see for 5 days the daily result is that, and there have an option for payment summary. Total budget is that, and here after that there have an option for tax, and after that total amount is that. You need to spend this money for total 5 days. After that you need to preview your ad, and then at the last option is for boost post. Now you just need to click on this for boost your post, then your post already gonna review. Around on this your post already started for review. That's it. And I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.